In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your HP DeskJet 2827e printer with the Windows 11 laptop. First we will enter this printer into the setup mode and then we will add in your Windows laptop. Go to the printer display panel. On the printer display panel, press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button together and you will see the power light starts to flash after 3 seconds. Release the buttons and the wireless light will start to flash. That means printer is in the setup mode. Now go to your Windows laptop. We have to download a HP app. Click on the Microsoft Store. Type in HP and then enter. It will show up the HP Smart app that is here. If you don't have this app, you can download it and then you can open the app. Click on the add new printer. Select your HP DeskJet 2827e series setup. Click continue. On the next page it will display a list of wireless networks. Select your Wi-Fi network from this list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and then click on the continue. Press the information button on the printer display panel. That's the I button flashing. Press it once. Printer is connected with the wireless network. Click on the continue. Continue. You will see your printer with estimated level of ink. Just wait for the printer to update on the app. And if you look at the printer display panel, you will see the wireless light that was flashing is stable. That means printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Printer is updated. Let's check on the Windows screen, that is HP DeskJet 2827e series with estimated level of ink. Thanks for watching.